things na dala nyo tuwing volleyball game?
Of course, hindi pwede ang spangos, mawala. Second is the jerseys. And that's ang ganda.
Wow naman!
Pwedeng mawala yan.
Sa akin naman is yung headphones ko and for my pre-game and siyempre yung jerseys ko and yung cellphone ko syempre.
Yes. Paano pag walang ganda? So walang madala.
Ang three things na hindi ko naiiwanan doing my game is syempre yung first ay rosary. Next one would be toothbrush and last one would be the perfume para iwas, ano mo na? First is this shirt and this, the sandwich and underwear.
Huh?
First po, eye drop, and then glass ko po, tsaka jersey and shoes and knee pads.